be enough.
That's perfect right there.
So now we got her on blocks. Hopefully we can swing our arms under. Are we good? Oh, nice. So here's a little setup we got going. Jacob's neighbor's got a sweet shop. He likes to collect classic cars and stuff, you know. He's got a sweet 40 or 35 Ford over there, you know. So he's cool and he's letting us use a 2-post lift. So right now I'm just getting good mounting points for it so we can lift this boat up.
Oh, that's not even bad. It's probably because I sprayed this with pre-deboss for a week.
Don't you love it when things are hand loose? Alright, first problem of the day.
This thing's gonna be so loud, probably. I hope.
That seems to be the problem, Ashley.
There it goes.
Hey!
Can't tell if I'm on it. No. Jerry, you want a Carson? Ears.
Oh yeah. Give me that good. You have to pull down on that.
Did you spray these ones, Jake?
Yeah. He just did.
You didn't spray them before?
No, I did. No garage is complete without a breaker bar. Yeah. That's not actually a breaker bar.
This is just awkward.
Hey!
Because now we can use the air ratchet. Actually, not on that side. That side you have to use the box end because the air ratchet can't fit in there. That's righty. We don't know how to fix anything.
Even when we have a 2-post lift in the garage full of proper tools. Hey!
What?
So second mediocre problem we might run into. As far as we know, there's only one of these gaskets. And if you guys know anything about doing exhaust jobs like this, you need 2. So we'll see what we end up rigging up.
Wait, what about the O2?
They want me to unscrew the sensor?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can't.
Wait, we gotta get it free so we don't twist the line a ton.
I think it's got like the little suction. Yeah, it does. So, oh yeah.
Seems to be the pin.
So, there it goes.
Ta-da!
There.
I've got it by hand. Yeah.
So you're just gonna have to spin like this. This is fun.
So what we're trying to do here, we can't just sit there and twist the line, so why not spin the exhaust?
What? Wait. Go.
Dip, 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 dip.
This is There we go, okay.
Hey, how's she looking?
She fine.
Ain't even bad.
It's not a problem, honestly.
Here's the old O2 sensor. She looks real nice.
Stashed over here right now.
Not bad.
Yeah, so your valves commit suicide.
So she's gone. Got it out. There's that one.
It's just a rusty bit.
And come on back. And this one's out, so time to slap the new one in. Let's see what problems we run into next.
Oh yeah, one's a 90 a week shot.
Alright, so here we are. She looks real nice. There we go.
Harbor Freight at best.
Got some nice welds. Ooh. Ooh, them tigs.
Oh yeah. Should probably get a gasket first, that's all.
Nah, we don't need no gasket.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
We got the oil pan here.
Yeah.
And we got the subframe. And then the oil pan's equal to the bumper.
So when you scrape,
If it's big enough and has a point, it's gonna go through my oil pan.
but we'll worry about that when we cross that path.
On there, Big Daddy's gonna be pissed if I don't get it on
Put
there.
some nice medium strength Loctite.
There's reverse threads. No.
I didn't realize it was gonna.
If I feel any resistance, I'm stopping.
An issue we thought we might have is we couldn't get this one to thread, but we were just being speds. And we didn't want the O2 to just be sticking down, and this car's already low, so you don't want to just frame bang once and O2's gone.
O2 sensor bang.
Yeah, you don't want to O2 bang.
That's the wrong. Yeah, that's like angled perfectly.
Look at you go.
Then right
Plus,
here.
it's being twisted like that too. So yeah, that's like the perfect spot for it.
Yeah.
All right.
Just spinning around. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Just getting summers and stuff. Nope. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but this is the safest way. Wait. Okay.
Yeah, just tightening around up. Getting ready to actually impact these puppies on. And later tonight, we're gonna finish off my gauges, so that'll be cool. Little sneak peek there.
So once we put this one in, because that's just a placeholder. Try not to strip it. Did we hand tighten it enough?
I think we're good. Next. I think it's good.
It's barely on there.
Golden.
To the back.
That's wrong way.
Going, yeah.
Did you switch it? I didn't switch it.
I didn't switch it, and it was working good for me.
Oh, real nice.
Okay.
Oh, real. Oh. Alright. So, she's in.
Oh.
Doo-doo-doo. She looks real nice. So hopefully the drum's not too bad, but I mean, it's not like we're gonna take it off.
It didn't take us until 1 in the morning this time.
Everything at my house.
Sitting on the floor.
Alright. Alright, let's start this beast.
No different.
Thoughts?
Not really any different, but we'll go drive it.
Well, we'll see.
Okay, stop. Back, stop.
Low life probs. Alright, that one's good.
This definitely has a lot more tone to it. We actually did something in my car.
Pick them all up.
Get a hand tightener first, you know, don't wanna go too all out.
I'll try to pull Mason.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard?